So last night I worked a little bit late. That means I got up a little bit later this morning, and for all that, it means I get punished by getting to sit in commuter traffic. I try to avoid this normally by going in early in the morning and leaving work early in the afternoon. Not that getting into town late is going to stop me from getting out for a usual coffee at least. And before you know it, I'm back in the car, and just like that, I'm back home again. Okay, so I've arrived at the Ryan Island Bay. The wind here is nowhere near as bad as in town, which is really good. Picks up a little bit from time to time, but you can get some drone shots of this absolutely fascinating building. This is the largest building in New Zealand, I think, or the Southern Hemisphere, made entirely out of recycled materials. Definitely using the Phantom 4 for this today. The wind is just a bit too chaotic for the spark, especially seeing it's a brand new drone and I haven't really played around with it in much of a breeze at the moment. I'm not entirely sure what it will do, so I'm going to be safe and not risk it. And the P4 has got 4K for me at the moment anyway as well, so right, I was looking around for a sign with the name of the marae on it, so I could film it. I just found it now on my way out. There we go. Thanks a lot, guys, for letting me film here. Right, so I've just stopped for lunch and getting a cheap $5 pizza. Better than nothing. Not exactly healthy food, but today's not one of those healthy food days, really. Hopefully it won't be too long. Right, I'm back home again now after shooting the third location for my drone work today. I didn't get a lot of that one done because as soon as I got the drone out into the water a wee bit, I suddenly got attacked by about 100 odd seagulls. Just started dive bombing the Phantom 4, which is a bit bloody scary if you're talking about the price of replacing a Phantom 4. Anyway, I'm out of here now. I'm going to go and do a couple of other jobs and then come back and upload some stuff and start some editing.